What's going on, everybody? It's Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. What a wild ride we had today. In this video, guys, I am going to go over not only everything that happened, but I really want to just give you guys a different perspective, to take a step back, okay? Because as the price increases, as the volatility increases, our emotions are increasing, okay? And if you look at people that are successful in the stock market, they always tell you to keep your emotions separate, okay? So I'm going to go over everything, and I'm also going to go over exactly where I see this stock playing out based on what I am seeing throughout multiple different trading communities, okay? So stick around, guys. You ain't gonna want to miss this. For those of you that are new to the channel, all I ask that you hit that like button and subscribe to join the family. Let's get rocking, guys. First off, this was one of the first articles that was dropped by none other than CNBC. AMC files to sell 11 million shares. Stock immediately gives a big gain. This article, you can go through it, guys. It goes into bigger detail, really just bashing AMC. Okay, so what happened? We saw a little bit of a pullback, no problem, normal. And then, as soon as it opened, it kind of stabilized around that $60-$62 mark, and then severe shorting and a huge sell-off, basically knocking off individuals that got in this play around that $55 mark, to where now they're at a loss. Okay, I wouldn't say that there are individuals like myself who haven't sold anything that got in around the $5, $6, $8 range. Some of you guys that have been following me for as long as you have are up 400, 500, 600%. The fundamentals haven't changed. Keep that in mind, guys. The fundamentals haven't changed, but individuals that got into this play really, really late might have sold off, and they continued by heavy shorting. All right, the halting definitely saved us. But what I told everybody in our private community earlier this morning was, one, guys, regardless of how they worded it, it's 11.5 million shares. We were going to scoop that up like nothing. Okay, they slowly trickled them out into the market, and the same thing they did with the 43 million share offering. As soon as they announced that the at the market offering was complete, it went right back up. It hit a high of $68 today, which I knew it wasn't going to be able to maintain that level, because naturally you got day traders that literally just made a 60% run on their money, okay, after lunch, run on their money to be able to get out of it. So my point in this video, one, is to say I am still bullish on this stock. Everything that we have researched about why we are investing in this stock has not changed. The shorts have not began to cover. If you look at the Ortex, it changed a little bit. They were doubling down on their shorts. Okay, then they covered some of their shorts, trying to maintain some of their positions. There's speculation about, okay, them selling their longs. However, we're not going to know until the 13Fs come out. Still, guys, Fintel, which I know it's Fintel, it's very speculative, but it still has an insane short squeeze rating of 99.89. If you even jump over to the charts, guys, and you look at any other stock, you look at cost today, same action. GameStop, same action. Everything happened. BlackBerry, I think, was a little bit, yeah, and even the same thing. I thought it was a little bit different, but the same thing. So, guys, this wasn't news about AMC. This was news to basically be able to shake you guys. Now, what's crazy is, as your portfolio increases and as the percentages increase and your dollar amount increases, these swings are going to get more volatile. It's no longer a $500 swing, a $1,000 swing, a $10,000 swing. It gets up to be a $50,000 swing, a $100,000 swing. There are guys out there that have millions of shares that are going through insane swings. That's where they can attack your emotions. Okay, think about this, guys. All right, they're playing with somebody else's money. It's like when you're playing video poker for fun on your computer, okay, or playing or paper trading. You can do whatever the heck you want because it's not tied to you. This is our money that we worked for, that we invested, okay, that we've lost and gotten burned on so many other plays before, that we are finally up on now. That's what they're playing with, and they targeted right to it. Okay, the point of the matter about this was all part of their tactic, all part of their game. They did it with GameStop going back. I watched everything happen in the news in GameStop. GameStop was a much different play for me because I wasn't nearly as knowledgeable as I am about what the heck is going on behind the scenes of AMC. Okay, so just make sure, guys, that you keep that everything with a grain of salt, and know that when news attacks this stock, when there's going to be the breakthrough like there was today already, that the 11.5 million was over, the stock shot right back up, and that's going to continue to happen. Next thing, guys, too, We came to this stock because of the heavy shorts that they have not covered yet. We just started. I mean, it's June 3rd, guys. They just sent out the proxies for the share recount to happen. Okay, this is still at the very beginning. Every fundamental, every bit of research that many of us have uncovered, has it still remains the same, and nothing has changed. Just because the price went up to $62, hit 77, 75, 77 pre-market, dropped all the way down to 37, doesn't mean that it's over. Okay, now eventually, guys, it is going to go up and it is going to go down, because just like every short squeeze, it goes up and it goes down. However, until we know that the fundamentals of why we invested in this stock have been cleared, there is no short squeeze. Okay, so guys, remember that. Take a step back. All right, lastly, I do not want anybody to be messing up with their emotions. When people see some crazy swings, it gets nerve-wracking. Be careful with the money that you invest in it. All right, I am very bullish on this stock. Okay, but I also have the financial means to be able to do so. And I know some people are gonna be like, oh no, just go, go, go. And I really don't want to see anybody, get burned on this. It's gonna go up, it's gonna go down. Just be prepared for that, guys. We still have a long way to go with this stock. It is not done. Okay, so just remember that, guys. Stay patient, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.